Salamat po sa mga nagpunta. Ay, yung mga nandito po, you know, if paki-watch po yung mga may link dyan, yung mga, ayan, ako, hinuhold niya na pala yung ihi niya. Kanina pa siguro siya nag-iintay na makaihi. Ay, where will we go? Here, here, here. On the side. Yan. Yes, thank you, Ma'am Chel. Sis Ma'am Chel, mga lalabs, yung mga may chance po, please watch po yung mga magtusok-tusok na lang po kayo to each other kasi eto na po hawak ko po ang phone at saka yung niya, leash niya. Oh, that where? But the pier, is that, what do you call that? A pier or a harbor? Oh, okay, we'll go up that hill first, right? Up the hill. Like Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay, we could do that. Then there's a way to go up there and then to go there. Oh, okay, let's try that. Eko, follow the leader. Oh, kasi ano siya, yung train siya na kung saan ka pupunta doon siya. Oh, come on. No, that's garbage. Yeah, sa side lang siya. Tawag doon hill. So hindi siya. Oh, okay. So ngayon nauuna na siya sa akin. Supposed to be hindi sila mauuna. Lalakad lang siya sa side mo. Ayan, hill. Kaya lang minsan, curious yan eh. Lahat ine-explore. Okay. Parang si Dora the Explorer ito. Nako, nag-lock yung... It's unlocked. The leash is unlocked.
Okay.
Alright, it's okay.
When you do this, you push this.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ako marunong mag-walk ng tao.
If you don't push,
Ng
it will
tao,
fall.
ng aso.
That's just to give him space.
I see. Okay. So, sige, ako na lang i-walk mo. Ikaw na nga mag-lead. Baliktad nangyari. Ano ba yan? Ako ang wino-walk ni Eko. Kasi alam to hindi ako, dati taga Brooklyn ako. Then nalipat na ako ng Queens. Tapos itong lugar na to na pinuntahan namin, hindi ko to kabisado eh. I never been to this. Oh, you got the ay, nako. Eko, ano ba yan? Sandali lang. Okay. Pasensya na po. Thank you for joining us sa aming live. Sa dog walk live. Oy, Eko, may sasakyan ha? May kalsada. Huwag tayo muna tatawid. Hintayin natin yung wait lang. Kailangan natin ng... We can. He knows how to cross. Huh? Come. Oh. Yes. Wait, Eko. Which way to go? I don't see a path. There's a path? Oh, like who's going far now?
He's looking for squirrels.
Oh, he's looking for squirrels.
Oh, he saw one. Yeah, he saw it. Here.
There's one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You see, like there's a hole there. That's where the squirrel lives. And then there's one there. The squirrel is hiding. Nagtatago siya. Kasi may aso rito. Yes. Takot sila sa aso eh. Yan o. Ayun o. Nakikita nyo siya. Ayun. Sa pinakatuktok. Ay, ako. Yan. Iniwan na ako ni Eko. Yan. Okay. So there's a garbage here to throw that thing. You want to find it? Okay. So dito po may park. Tapos mayroon din silang mga doggy bag. Hey, Eko, let's stay in the path. Okay. Oh, wow. Woo. Sana hindi siya tatakbo. Mabilis tumakbo to eh. Tapos ito yata ayun, he sees one.
Oh, so no, it's good. He's going to pull out. Echo. Stop.
Okay.
Echo, see. Look at him.